everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have cars from the KC 2021 Hot Wheels KC. Yes it is, it's time for kasiloose. Look in front of you, yep, it is so yummy. So we start off with the BMW M3 GT2 number 57. Look at that. Yep, kasiloose from the HW race day. Let's focus a bit. Come on. Yes, it is. Look at that. All red without any headlights or tail light stemples there, side and on the hood. Yep. Really wish it has at least headlights. But that is beautiful. Look at the wings there. So I believe this is not a new casting but a retooled one. Let's take a closer look. The BMW M3 GT2 2011 and 2020. So they must have a retool of the casting. Nice how they did this side there. So not sure which part is the retool part. You guys can comment on this. I didn't collect all the iteration of this model. That's beautiful. For those who knows what's different from the previous casting, you guys can comment down below. So you can see the interior on the passenger side. Not sure what is it. Purely built for racing. It's a right-hand drive. It is a left-hand drive. Awesome. With a roll cage and at the back there. Nice. Thankfully the paint doesn't what do you call it, too thick, so the details are still there to be seen. Yep. So that's the BMW M3 GT2. It's nice. Yep. Let's put it here. The next one, a new casting, the head gasket number 75. Look at that. An interesting looking fantasy cars, generic cars. One thing I like about it, it's the color of the helmet. Look at that, sort of like a maroon shiny metal flake. Just a helmet with wheels. Yep, big engine in front. That is interesting. Let's take a closer look. So obviously there's no windows there. Plastic base, metal helmet. Look at the color of the helmet there. That is beautiful. Chrome engine. That is cool. Head gasket. Look at that. That is nice. Awesome. Yep, yes it is. Next we're gonna see the Magic 8-ball Roger Dodger. This is the normal version, not the Super Treasure Hunt version. Yep. Because one thing I like to show is, you can see in the under the cut there. Yep, there's something inside. So let's kasiloose. First off, there you go. That's the under the cut, which I'm not so sure what it meant. quite small actually. Let's focus a bit. Yeah. Just shows the under the car, which is why exactly I have no idea. Nothing on the back there. So let's give it a spin. It's black, glossy black. Sorry about the vibration of the camera. My stand is not really that good. Look at that. Let's take a closer look. That's the Magic 8 ball, all black. So it's supposed to be the Super Trajan 4KC, and underneath says "Us Again Later." Yup, it's a sticker. I don't think we can change it into anything, but there you go. Us Again Later, which is part of the charm of the Magic 8 ball, right? Look at that. Roger Dodger. Says 2018. Interesting. So let's give it a spin. Yeah. All black. So that's the Roger Dodger. Next, we're going to see the Gumball 3000 Ford GT40 under the then and now. So this is supposed to be the then. Interesting to know what is the now for the Ford GT40. Interesting. Kasiloose. Look at that. That's beautiful. Red, white and blue Gumball 3000. Awesome. Have the headlights without the tail lights. Blue tinted windows. That is beautiful. Yep. Nice. 1999 and have a retool on the 2019. Interesting on the retool section, on the retool part. You guys can comment on down below. That's a retool. There you go. For GT40, then and now. Eager to wait for the now. Next we have the regular treasure hunt, which is the custom 77 Dodge van of the Jack of Hearts, number 65. Yes, you can see the regular treasure hunt symbol there, the circle flame logo. We've seen the Queen of Hearts, the King of Hearts, now it's the Jack of Hearts. So if you're wondering, that's the circle flame logo there. Yup, it's a regular treasure hunt. And the car itself, look there. I like, yep. I think I'm going to collect this type of decoration, which is interesting. Got a long way to go. Nice. And have the A there at the sunroof. Jack of Hearts, double art cars, nothing on the back, just the side there. Nice. Circle flame logo there. Both sides actually, yep. Awesome. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Next, we're going for the 17 Nissan GTR R35 then and now. So this is supposed to be the now. Yep. So the den, we are waiting for the den. So I think I've seen some hints of the den for the Nissan. Yep. I believe it, in the internet you can see there's a Prelude yellow and black with this kind of color, right? So maybe that's a den. Not sure what's the cut for the car. But there you go, the Nissan GTR R35 yellow with a black stripe on the hood and on the top. Yes, it is. The paint application kinda bit too thick, maybe. But yeah. Also, if you like the Nissan GTR R35 from the KC, and we've come to the last three. Let's take this one, the Lancia Delta Integrale 51 Baja Blazers. They did it in 3D Bot Maker race, right? Barely, almost winning the race. Go watch 3D Bot Maker, awesome diecast racing channel there. And this is the mainline debut new casting Lancia Delta Integrale with headlights. Yes, loving it. Look at that. Nothing on the tail lights. The side liveries there. This is beautiful. A black interior. Left-hand drive. Let's take a closer look. That Rally El Segundo, Bilston, Sparko, Hot Wheels, Michelin. You can see the fuel cover there. Side mirrors, beautiful headlights. Yes, it is. Oh, loving this. Awesome Lancia Delta Integrale. Hopefully you can see the interior. You can see the interior. Yeah. Nice. Then spoke wheels. Awesome. Awesome. That is beautiful. A new casting for 2021. The Porsche 935, also a new casting. Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker 58. Jazz car. Under the HW race day. Look at that. Plastic headlights, part of the window piece. That's beautiful. Yep. Awesome. That is fantastic. 277 Great Britain, Porsche, Hot Wheels, Walker. Let's focus a bit. With a blue base, actually. Blue base. Very simple base there. This is beautiful. Urban Outlaw, Porsche on the wings. This is nice. Look at that. Yes, it is. Awesome debut of the Porsche 935. And the last one, many of you are waiting for it. Eager eyes, is the Honda Civic SI number 63. Yep, not really a new casting per se, but it's a retool. But this guy, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, clean. Headlights, tail lights. Sort of like a light, sort of like light blue. Transport wheels. Beautiful. Two-door. Let's take a closer look at the base there. As you see, 2020. So there's a retool. Interesting to know your take on this. Comment down below what's basically the retool of this casting. You can see that. This is beautiful. There's an exhaust there. Wow. It's an interesting look there. There's the front headlights, beautiful headlights, and tail lights, obviously. Yes, it is. At the back there. Not sure what's sculpted there. Yep. Two-seater bucket seat. You can see this sunroof. This is awesome. Yeah, that is beautiful. Yes, it is. Wow, 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 wow. So there you go. All KC cars that I believe appropriate for a kasiloose, to show you guys the details of the new casting and everything. Wow, 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 wow. I'm excited. I'm excited for 2021. So if you haven't subscribe, give a notification bell button, share if you want. This is important. Give a thumbs up, comment also down below. I'll be seeing you guys later. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.